in continuing effort to share my knowledge with you guys on where I'm buying my stuff. I always get a lot of questions on where I'm buying my supplies from. Klingspor is based out of North Carolina. They make a ton of sanding paper rolls for major manufacturers, and they've got 4 retail shops in North Carolina. I buy through their catalog. I needed some sanding sleeves and some drum roll sleeves for my 25-inch sander outside. Figured I'd put together an order. This is not sponsored by them in any way. I spent $250 on this stuff, but just wanted to show you some of the goodies I got. And they always have a ton of sanding supplies, which is what I got here. Got my 4.5-inch long sanding sleeves for my rigid sander. I've been running out of these, and I needed to get a whole bunch, so I bought all the different sizes and grits. So 1-inch, 1/2 inch, what else? 3/4 inch and 2-inch. They come in 3 packs, and their sanding paper will last a ton longer than some of the stuff you'll buy at Home Depot. They make this stuff. This is all made in the USA, country of origin, USA, versus some of the cheap China stuff you'll get. I needed some Tite Bond cold press glue. Got a bunch of videos coming up with some copper tops. Gonna play around with that stuff. Again, more sanding sleeves. I needed some more coping saw blades. You could buy this anywhere, but they had them. This is really what I needed to get. This is 320 grit 4x24 sanding paper for my rigid oscillating sander. I bought 320, and what is this? 220. This stuff is made in Germany. This Klingspor out of Germany, I guess. I didn't know that. And then I got some abrasive grits here, 320. Run out of this stuff like crazy. Made in Poland. Those actually feel pretty nice. 320. I think this is 600. And these are pretty cool. These are 1,000 grit. Mesh sleeves. So you get no clogging out of these. I'm gonna put these on my Makita sander, plop these down, and when I'm doing a lot of the coloring and I'm sanding out with a higher grit, these clog up. And so these are see-through, I don't know what they're called. I found them in the catalog. Got a foam sanding pad here. Can pop that on. Starting to feel a little bit of arthritis in my hands from doing this stuff, so need to get some more sanding support versus actually just using my fingers. Again, more sanding sleeves. And this one was pretty cool. This is a fold-over sleeve. So they take the sleeve, fold it over, so you can do corners. And I think that's about it. Forgot I ordered these. That's the other thing I needed. These are sanding blocks. And it's like steel wool, emery board, I don't know, but it's like an eraser, a high grit eraser. And these I can use for cleaning my steel plates upstairs for the drum sander, drill press, table saw, bandsaw. They had these different grits. I haven't used them yet. They're called Sandflex. I'll do a review on them later. But I got the coarse, fine, and medium. Popular mechanics say they're awesome, so we'll try those. I needed a small pull saw. So all this stuff, what does it say, was $260. Sanding sleeves were $341. I got a discount because I bought 5. You get the 3-pack. The most expensive thing I got here was the saw. I think that was 45 bucks. I needed $49. I needed a crosscut saw for all the fretboard work I've been doing. Cut the ends off. So give them a look. Klingspor woodworking shop. They've got a whole bunch of flap sanders. That was the other thing that they had that are really cool. But they definitely specialize in sandpaper, sanding sleeves, sanding rolls. So another place where I get my product, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next vid.